You've got gold offer, 33% off on Amazon stores. Let's see. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, healthy, smiling. Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. And this is very pretty good offer. Please don't miss it. You've got 33% off on gold. First, I'll tell you the offer details, and later we'll go to the unboxing video. Go to Amazon app. Given the search tab as gold coins, and now as shown in the picture, you use filters. For instance, I have used here precious metal coins, and next you see I have selected some of the sellers on which this offer is applicable. You do the same thing to avail the offer. I'll also provide these links in the description box. If you want to purchase gold coins and biscuits, you can by clicking on those links. Now, speaking of the payment offers, you've got 10% off instant discount, that is on SBI credit and debit cards, but the minimum purchase value should be 5,000 rupees. Now we'll go to the unboxing video. Yes, it comes in a sealed wrap as shown in the picture. This is the first time we have purchased gold online, but excited. It has taken 15 days, nearly 15 to 20 days for delivery from Amazon stores, but the experience was good. And you see it comes in a box. As you see in the picture, there were 2 tags fastened to the box. They are the model number of gold that has been purchased. This is purchased from Amazon stores. As you see in the picture, this is 2 grams gold bar that has been purchased from Malabar Gold and Diamonds. You all know Malabar Gold and Diamonds is a jewelry trading company. It started in Kozhikode. Of course, you all know Kozhikode is famous for Kerala halwa. So this comes from Kerala again. It has got brand certification and assures good quality, and it's selling on Amazon stores since 1995. See, this is how the 2 grams gold bar has been packed. Is it not good? It costs 11k, and have put here the bill. You can see. Now we'll open it and see how it looks. It's pretty small, good, right? It comes with a width of 10 mm and height of 17 mm. All the details of metal fineness, metal weight and tolerance percentages are given. You can check it out. It is 24 carats gold. You all know 22 carats gold is pure gold, but 24 carats gold is more durable. This is yellow gold, and the camera could not capture its brilliance. Therefore, I tried many clips to show you clearly. Hope it's clear. So Malabar is a trusted brand. You can go opt for this on offer in Amazon stores. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to Flying Skies One. Keep smiling.